What up guys, it's Stemdies and welcome back to another video. And guess what, midterms are over. Midterms are over. Hallelujah, it's rain. Okay, I'll stop, but guess what? I'm so happy midterms are over. I feel confident, really confident. Just took my last 2 tests. You know, stressful, very stressful. But this is gonna be a beautiful, wonderful update about merch. Wait, what? What are you talking about, Stemdies? Slash Nick, slash forensics, merch? Crush merch? I've been reading your comments. I've been reading your beautiful, lovely, beautiful texted comments, and I heard the word merch. This really brought some gears are turning in my mind. Merchandise? Oh my gosh, this is gonna be great. But here's the thing. As you all know, I lost a lot of subscribers. About, let's see here, let me look at my watch. Give me a second, let me do the calculation. Yeah, I lost like almost 100 subscribers, or like 80, something like that, like about 2 or 3 months ago. Alright guys, and like, I love my YouTube channel. Alright, but like, I don't understand why I lost it. Alright, I don't. And like, I felt so happy that I had 207 subscribers. Like, oh, I was so happy. And now it's like, oh my gosh. So, I promise, I'll get merch out. But guess what? Some things are gonna have to change. I'm gonna have to make better content for you guys, you know? Because this is not good. Like, post in the comments below, tell me that it's not good. Don't sugarcoat anything. Just lay it all on me. Okay. No, seriously, it is bad. It's bad content. But I'm gonna work harder to improve it for you guys. And this is gonna be another talk video. So just, I wish I had Albert Einstein. Albert is with us in spirit. Okay, but yeah, so merch might come out, but I'm gonna have to see, like, I'm gonna have to earn merch for you guys, if that makes any sense. I'm gonna have to literally earn merch for you guys. So we're just gonna have to see how that works out. I mean, I don't think it's gonna like work out as quickly as possible. But like I said in the last like 15 billion videos, right? Because that's how many videos I have, right? Yeah, 15 billion. Last time I checked. Yeah. But my content isn't good. You guys know that. I mean, like, I went back to some of them and they're cringy. Alright? And I felt like I should delete some of them, but then I'm like, no, I shouldn't delete one of them or any of them. I should just like, they would be good reaction videos to when I'm like 30 years old and still doing this YouTube channel because I have nothing better to do in my life. I'm joking. But no, I'm gonna look back and they're gonna be good reacting videos because it's gonna be funny, guys. It's gonna be really funny. Just stay tuned. 30 years from now, we'll be famous, popular, and growing. And yeah, you know, it makes me feel good. One of you guys commented in one of the videos like about 2,000 years ago. When you guys commented, the first thing I type in, you know, when I search crush, the first video I see is mine. Guys, that's like, I did it myself, and I'm like, that's my video? What? Wow, am I famous? What's going on? And I'm like so happy, alright, so, but I have 137 subscribers, you know, Roger, you guys, you know, I got you. You know what I mean. But yeah, my last subscriber that just subscribed, guys, I need more subscribers. We need, and all YouTubers need more subscribers. All YouTubers. But guess what? Once I hit that 1,000 subscribers, 1K, I can start updating my channel, like in my channel settings, because like, if you don't have 1,000 subscribers or like more than that, there's some things that you just can't get. You're illegible for them. You're just like ineligible. What am I saying? You're just not able to get them. You know what I mean, right? I don't. Yeah, but you know what I'm saying. But yeah, guys, like don't worry. I've been looking at your names for our family, army, swaggerness, and everything. I've been looking at her names, and let's just say, it's pretty dope. It's pretty good. I love it. I was looking at them and tears were coming to my eyes. Like, this is so beautiful. People are so smart. I need more people to comment. I need more people to comment so then I can take like all of them. You know what you see what I'm doing with my hands right now? No, you can't. But if you were, just imagine what I'm doing with my hands. Yeah. And then I can take all of them and combobulate them, splat them on my Google Plus account. You guys can go vote. And guess what, guys? Just pull a random friend you got. Pull a random friend by the collar. Grab him by the collar, the ear, the foot. Yank him over to a computer and say, vote now. Just in that voice, all right? Trust me. You talk in that voice, you'll get anything. Anything. Now. Oh, that hurt my throat. Anyways, but guys, that's basically the video. But I got something else. Now, you guys might be wondering, how in the world am I making these beautiful thumbnails? Thumbnails are basically pictures on the video. That's what they're called, thumbnails. Okay, I'm looking at my thumbnail right now, like literally my thumbnail. It doesn't look like the beautifulness on my videos, but look at these 3 videos right here. Huge update. Favorite video, Stemdies, I'm sorry, with flames. It's beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. I recently downloaded an app in the App Store, and it's called Thumbnail. You might see it in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Tap on it. It will bring you to an automatic, no, I'm joking, don't tap on it. You'll just pause the video, or you'll probably skip some of the video because that's where it's placed. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? No, you don't know what I mean? Okay, I'll stop. But yeah, thumbnail. So basically, basically you can like try anything, text. Got it. All right, I got it. And you can split pictures, have 2 pictures on each side. And it's good. It would just know I didn't make anything. But yeah, guys, here's some examples, and they're beautiful, aren't they? Like, half of them are just Fortnite. Look at this. Finn Games channel. This one's like a more down-to-earth, beautiful one. Look at all these other ones. Like, look at this. Like, how in the what? Oh, there's more. Okay. We're just gonna keep going, guys. Look at this guy and this. Oh, that's Grand Theft Auto. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Okay. And he's got all the money. Let's not go farther because I'll stop. But yeah. So going to and I'm not sponsored by them. It's just something that I use, and you don't have to use it for just thumbnails. Honestly, you don't have to do it just for thumbnails. Pew pew pew. You can do it for channel art maker, which is like that big, huge picture of the forest. You know, this thing on my channel. You know what I'm talking about? Wink, wink. On my channel, I made this on there, and doesn't it look juicy? It looks perfect, doesn't it? But you can also make cover makers and like print them off and like frame them of you and edit yourself. It's beautiful. Go check it out. Apple devices only, I believe. I'm not sure. Go check it out. But it's called Thumbnail Maker. It's just beautiful. All right, but I just wanted to show you guys because that's how I make my thumbnails, and you YouTubers out there might be going like, you know what, I don't want to keep on just choosing like little stupid photos to my video that YouTube just took just so I can make that my thumbnail. I want to make a unique, beautiful, putting out there video that clickbait, you know. But yeah, but guys, just pull someone. Honestly, just grab them by the hair, shove them in the computer's face, and then just tell them to vote, all right? Or tell them to make a name, or just tell them to subscribe, all right? Because guys, once I get 1,000, 1K, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. We're gonna make America. Okay, I'll stop. But and then merch. It's gonna come out. Hopefully, you guys made it to the end of the video. I know I'm taking way too much time that needs to be taken. But anyways, that's what I do, and you guys know that's what I do. So just hang in there. But yeah, so just take someone, just help them subscribe, and if they don't want to, don't force them. I don't want them to force. If you guys are forced into this, hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Stemdies Forensic / Nick. My name is Nick, and just enjoy my channel. Don't look back at any other videos because that will make you run away. I don't want you to run away. I want you to stay. Like, just stay. Sam Smith, stay with me. That's not. Yeah. Okay. Well, welcome to the channel. All right. Can I handshake? No handshake. High five. High five the screen. Yeah, there you go. If you didn't high five and I just said that, then I'm a loser. Okay, but anyways, but merch, it's gonna come out. Trust me, it's gonna come out. But I have to get up there in subscribers and more views. Now the people who are actually viewing my videos right now, all 100 of you guys and more, you guys are honestly awesome. You guys are awesome. All right, you guys, or 20 of you guys, and some, like half of them really don't. I don't know what the heck that's about, but it's okay. It's okay. I still love you guys. You guys are there. You guys subscribe. You obviously like the content, and I'm gonna improve on it. I promise you, I will improve it. I will improve on it. Trust me. But you guys, go check out the thumbnail maker. Go check it out. It's not only for thumbnails and YouTube. It's for many other purposes. But just go check that out, and yeah, and let's see where we can go. Maybe it's gonna be uphill from here, because right now editing is going uphill. I'm getting audio, music. It's like, thank you, Nick. Thank you for getting music. Like, I don't want to just hear you lecturing. It's pretty annoying. Like, please, Nick, help us. Please, just make the content better. I know what you guys are saying, and I got you. Through the bottom of my heart, I love you guys. Peace out. Have a great rest of your weekend. I love you guys. And I don't know what else to say. Just peace out. Yeah. I need to work on my outro. Goodbye, guys. You guys are awesome.